Hi everyone, this is Maria. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you a quick unboxing video. So as you know from my past videos, part of my succulent collection that has decreased the most in the past year was Stapelius and Huernius due to root mealybugs, and I've been thinking about finding some more to add to my collection. So recently I discovered a seller on Facebook group Succulent Marketplace USA, and her name is Amber Francisco. She was selling the most beautiful Buddha temple. I had to get it, and I discovered she has some Stapelius and Huernius, so I ordered them, and I think she said she's gonna send me some gift cuttings. So let's start with unboxing. There is a lot of little packages here, so it looks like cuttings of different kinds that I don't have, that I think she sent for free. I don't know, there is a lot of stuff. I think I bought total of 3 plants. So let's start with these bigger ones. This is Edith Colea Grandis. She did such a beautiful job giving me tags that are already marked up, so I know exactly what it is. This is a good idea to use for wrapping plants because it's stronger than paper towel. Looks like the cleaning towels for cars, I think. It was a very well packaged. Alright. Wow, this is so pretty. I like this one because it doesn't even look like Stapelius or Beas or Huernius. It reminds me a lot to Euphorbias. So it's really cool looking. Really nice piece. Alright. So I'm going to put this one on the side. Okay, next. So she first put them in that towel and then in a bubble wrap and then taped it. So they're not really cold at all, even though it was a little bit cooler last night. So really well packaged. This is Buddha's temple that I told you that I ordered. That's how I actually contacted her and how we started talking. Oh, it's so beautiful. I just hope I won't kill this one. And look at, guys, it's growing babies. One baby, second baby. Really pretty. Such a nice specimen. I almost feel bad for you for coming to me because I have such a hard time keeping you guys alive. Well, this one I'm not going to keep under fluorescent lights. I'm going to try just to keep this. I have never tried that before under spider farmer lights. This is a big one. So this is Linder. I don't know how to say this name for this Stapelia, but I have seen the bloom that's like a red bell. And the one that I recently bought in Chicago, I don't know if it's the same one. I hope it's not. We will know when it blooms, right? Some of them are so similar looking. And so you don't really know until they bloom. With a beautiful root system. So here it is. Sure. Alright. And then now we have these little ones. So these are different kind of cuttings, and that was so nice of her to share because these were free. So she put gift and she put them in a pink wrapping paper, and then she even stapled this so they don't fall out from the little plastic bags. So this one here is Stapelia similis. I don't think I have heard or seen this one before. Here it is. So a lot of these Stapelias look alike. I mean, really, I don't know how I can. This to me looks the same as the one that I just showed you, the big one over here, and it also looks like grandiflora. So they're like so similarly looking. That's why my husband says that they're boring. So this is Orbea variegata, which I have a lot in Serbia, and I keep losing it here. I hope this one will make it. Right? So let's save the tag. So we have Huernia procumbens here. That's another one that I purchased, and it succumbed to root mealybugs. Has a cool blooms. So here it is. Alright. And then we have two more. This is Huernia keniensis nairobiensis. Here it is. Okay, and the last one. Here it is. Okay, so I have a lot of potting to do, guys. But I also have to go to the store, have to get some stuff for the new house. We haven't moved yet. And maybe go to the dog supply store, so I'll take you with me and check it out if they got any succulents. So here are some of the arrangements in like what it looks like some kind of can shaped pots. They have some very common succulents like jade and sedum, graptosedum, agavaides. And then there is these that are like also can-shaped pots. This is pretty. Looks like Cursula platifila that was really stressed out, red, and then has some kind of graptosedum. So let's see how much are they. These are $10. And then below there's some bigger arrangements again. Looking like they have pretty common plants. On this side here, we start from bottom here. There is $20 arrangement in a really pretty white pots. So there's some Chrysulas. I think this one is Chrysula. Chiveria has a lot of pups. And there's some other plants. And then here they have these colorful pots. These are $5. So again, some of the common ones. Jelly beans, Vortia, graptosedum. Nothing too tempting. Llama-shaped pots with like 2-3 plants. And then cactuses look really good. Too bad they glue these blooms on them, fake blooms, but look at this one, like full of actual blooms that's preparing to open. Some kind of puntia. And then I lost this one. I think I might buy that one. It's really nice variety. There is that variegated Joseph's coat, which is nice. So this is variegated Cursula platifila that I don't have. Has a little bit of pink and white, so I might get that one. And then there is a regular platifila. Here. Okay, then there's some moon cactuses. Some more arrangements. These are $13, $12.98. Some more little cactuses with blue here on top, which is really hard to see, but I think it's repetitive. It's like the same ones that are on the bottom. So I'm gonna go to the other side. Some more arrangements and like shoe-shaped pots. Again, pretty same combinations of plant like you have seen in the other ones. And then heart-shaped pots. This one fortunately got then there's these sprayed Hortia Sorellis. Terrible. And there's a little succulents here. It would be cool to see what they have. It's really high, and then there's even higher. This is like 6.5 feet in the air, so I totally cannot see what there is over there. So it seems like there is some little platypulus too. Okay, let me see if I can pull it up. So there is a little one. This one is $4. It's not really much of a difference in size than the $5 one. Okay. Let's see what else is there. So there's another one. So I'll see, maybe I'll buy one of these little ones. These are like so away of light and you can't see anything here. It's a bummer. So there's some large, these are $11 pots, really large Echeverrias, pretty, and some larger cactuses. So I can't see again. They really had them high, so hard to see. And then there is some more arrangements here. And these are $20 as well. Square pots with about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different plants. It's about $2 a piece, I suppose, per succulent. And there's some more here that have like kalanchoe, and then there's some agaves in the arrangements. But yeah, it's really hard to see. Look at these guys. I came by Tractor Supply to get some toy for Kyla. And then there's chickens and ducks. Look at these guys. Oh, there's some more on the other side with pretty colors. I used to have chickens growing up, and I would give them names as they grow up. Alright, Kyla, let's go find you something. You want to choose some toys, Kyla? Huh? No? Yeah? Yeah, you always loved the pig. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We used to have that, didn't we? That was a fun one. Before you chewed it up.
See anything?
No? Nothing of interest? Just wanted to show you what a nice pots they have in Walmart. I had to go to Walmart because couldn't find oil in place where I usually shop. All oil, flour, and toilet paper was gone, so I found it in Walmart except flour, but I saw that they got really nice pots this year. I love these. I think I might get these so you can kind of, I can imagine, you know, hanging string of pearls and something like this, because in our new house we're going to have a lot of gray and white. They have also nice bigger pots like that you can put on a table. There's a lot of different options, as you can see, in different colors. And then there is, of course, terracotta pots. They always have really good price for these. Yeah, so I'm gonna go check out. So guys, I have potted all the new plants. All the cuttings that I got, I took to conservatory and placed them in pots there, because I think that they have a better chance of rooting and growing there than here under lights. So let's take a look at my new additions. So here are all the new additions. First one here is beautiful Buddha temple, has actually 3 branches growing. And then here is this Edith Colea Grandis that I purchased, and the other one, this is just a perlite. I haven't cleaned this one as well. These are 2 purchases from, actually 3 purchases from Lowe's. This is Platyphila, Crassula, and variegated Crassula platyphila. And then I found this really cute crested form of cubic frost echeveria, and I just couldn't resist that. So hope you guys like them. Check out your Lowe's stores, because I think they got a lot of new stuff. As always, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you soon in the new video.